Expressing annoyance. Politely. Speak calm English. When you're frustrated, do you ever feel annoyed but don't want to sound rude in English? We all do. Today, I'll show you how to express frustration politely, so you sound calm, clear, and confident. Let's start. Sometimes things go wrong. Someone is late, the internet stops working, or someone repeats the same mistake. Instead of saying, "This is so annoying," you can say, "That's a bit frustrating. I'm a little upset about this. This is taking longer than I expected." See? You're still showing your feelings, but in a respectful way. Now, let's try some polite phrases for daily life. When someone is late, don't say, "You're always late." Say, "I was worried something happened. Everything okay?" When someone doesn't listen, don't say, "You never listen." Say, "I feel like my point wasn't clear. Can I explain again?" When technology fails, don't say, "Ugh, this stupid computer." Say, "Looks like my computer isn't working properly." When you need space, don't say, "Leave me alone." Say, "Can we talk about this a little later?" Let's repeat some of these together. I'm a little frustrated right now. This situation is not easy, but I'm trying to stay calm. Can we find a better way to fix this? These sentences sound polite, but they still show emotion. That's what confident English sounds like. Calm, but clear. Now, let's practice short emotional control. Take a deep breath before speaking. Smile slightly, then speak slowly and softly. For example, instead of, "This is impossible," say, "I think we need another solution." Let's do one more practice. You made a mistake. "I think there might be a small mistake. Let's check it together." Did you notice how polite that sounds? People will listen to you more when you sound calm, not angry. So next time you're annoyed, remember, you can express your feelings without shouting or blaming. It's not about hiding your frustration. It's about handling it smartly. Great job, my friend. You're learning to turn frustration into polite confidence. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Soon, they'll become natural for you. Stay calm, stay polite, and keep improving your English, one emotion at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English speaking lessons.